Hello students, welcome once again in the session of online classroom. In our last lecture, I was teaching you how determiners are used. Today, we are going to study some more remaining determiners and their use. The first one, each and every. Each and every in Hindi it is known as pratyek. You know very well, both words are used to indicate a single being from many. Now see, each means a single being from some. When there are some or few people and we will have to indicate each one, we will have to use the word each. Now every, a single being from all. Now when we talk about all the people and if we want to indicate particularly, we will have to use the word every. Now see the example and that will make it clear for you. Example number 1. Blank student from the group will do this work. Now here we are talking about the student of a particular group, means some of the students, and we are talking about each one from that particular group. Now see the second sentence, student from all the students of the class. Now here we are talking about all the students of that particular class, and here we are indicating individually. So in both the example you will have to apply each in first one and every in second. Now see the second type of determiners of today's study, several and various. Now what is meant by several and various? In Hindi it is known as भिन्न किंतु अनेक. Several means many things, nouns from the same caste and kind. Means when there is a cluster of things and they belong in the particular caste or kind, we will have to apply the word several. Now various, many things, nouns from different caste and kind. Now here when we see the cluster of many things from different caste or different kind, we will have to apply various. Both have equal sense but are applied differently. See the example. First one, I saw cages in the zoo with blank animals in them. Now see, the first cages means many things of the same kind, and the second one animals. Animals means many things from different caste and kinds. So I think you might have understood what you will have to apply here. Now see the second example and use your own common sense. In vegetable market there are blank vegetable stalls with blank vegetables in them. Now it is up to you what determiners from several and various will be applied here. Now see the next one, both all. Both, you might have familiar about the sense of both. You know what is meant by both? Both means दोनों. दोनों में से दोनों ही. Both into, and what is meant by all? सभी. सभी में से सभी means all in all. When we talk about two person and we talk about both the two person, we will have to apply both. And when we talk about all the person, we will have to apply all. See the example. Blank Ram and Mohan can solve this puzzle. Here we are talking about two characters, Ram and Mohan. That's why you might have understood what will have to be applied here. Now see the second one. The students will go on picnic today. Now here there is no indication that we are talking about two person. Means we are talking about all the students. That's why what will be applied here you might have understood. Now see the use of more and less. More and less are used with both countable and uncountable nouns. More means ज़्यादा. When the things, it doesn't matter if they are countable or uncountable. If they are big in number, they are large in number, we will have to apply more. For example, blank books are needed to pass the exam. Now the second example, blank water is required for drinking purpose. Now see the second one, less. Less means come, and it is also applied with both countable and uncountable noun if they are less in number. For example, a poor man has blank money to manage his family. Now the second one, in present time children play blank games outside. So due to the use of mobile, children are avoiding to play outdoor games. Now see the next determiners. Enough. Enough means पर्याप्त. It is also used with countable and uncountable nouns. For example, I have blank money to buy a car. And the second example, you should include blank fruits in your diet. So in both the example, the one is uncountable and the second one is countable. Now see the next, it is the use of either and neither. Either means ya to, neither means na to. Both have equal sense but are applied differently. Either is applied in affirmation or affirmative sentence, and neither is applied in negation or in negative sentence. For example, either of them will read book, it is affirmative sentence, and the second one is neither of them will take part in it, it is negative sentence. So I think you might have understood very well. Today we are going to over this chapter. Means in our next lecture we shall study the next chapter. Okay, thank you.